Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make this very animation on Canva. Without further ado, let's get into it.
So on my last video I showed you how to do it on Figma. Now I'm going to show you how to do it on Canva. So first thing first, you want to get your logo, and you can use any design platform you wish, to make your logo, to create your logo. You could use Adobe Illustrator, you could use Canva itself, and you could also use Figma, or you could use any other platform you feel very comfortable with. So as usual, you have to put this on a frame. Yeah, so all you need to do is click on the frame icon. I'm using Figma now, so wherever you're using this thing from, you always have to put it on a frame. You put this on a frame, and then we'll make sure to give it same radius. This is 156. Copy this and place here, just to make them equal, and then make sure this is center aligned. Yeah, so make sure this is center aligned, and all you want to do is, just like the way we did the last one, you have to duplicate this because we're going to be saving each of the lines separately for easy interaction. So yeah, we're going to do this multiple times, and yeah, just like the way we did the other one. So all you need to do now is save them one after the other. This depends on what you want to achieve. So for this particular animation, this is how to go about it. So we're deleting this for now, and you make sure that as you're deleting it, you're not tampering with every of the line, like every of the other lines. So we're going to do this, delete this, and then delete the ones from above. Yeah, so I'm good. Mind you, I have already done this before, so I'm not going to be doing it in the whole video because like this video is timed and I wouldn't want to be spending so much time on this. Sorry about that. Yeah, so we will do it one after the other. We will not be taking it two lines by two lines, just as we did the other one. Then we will get rid of this as well. So we'll be saving each line, save each line until we get to the final line. So we have like let's count the numbers of lines we have here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So you have to do this 18 times, and then 19 times plus the sterling bank text. So you have to do this 19 good times. And so when you're done, all you need to do is export or save. It depends on where you're working with, the platform in which you want to use in designing your logo or whatever. So you export, and I'm going to be exporting with 4x because that's like the highest resolution. And then I'm going to be exporting on a plain background. So I'm going to remove this fill here so that when I export it, it's going to be on a plain background. Export this. It's going to be on a plain background. Yeah, that's it right there. You can see it's frame 2608624. When you're done with all this, all you need to do now is come to your Canva. This is how I did mine. So I just trying to sign in to my Canva. If you do not have an account before now, you could sign up. I have an account already, so I'm just going to sign in here. Let's wait for it a little. just going to sign in.
When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. If I could lay down
Okay, so we're back here on our Canva. Now all you need to do is create a design and choose a board. For this, I'm just going to be picking this Instagram post square board, and we'll wait for it to load as usual. Again, okay guys, so when this eventually opens, this is what you would see. Now all you need to do is remember how the images or the lines you exported, the parts where your logos you exported, you'd come here and upload them on Canva. So how do you upload? Just click on upload files, and then it takes you to where you downloaded those stuff. This is my download, and then you you choose, you click on open, and then it automatically uploads. After that has been done, so like I said earlier, mind you, I have this already on my Canva because I have done it before. So I'm just going to dive into the process on how I did the animation from start to finish. So you can see I have already exported them one after the other. So after you've done that, every other thing you uploaded will fall right in this place. So all you need to do is start from the bottom. Click on this very place. Click on it. It appears on the board. Please pardon my network. We're actually using data for this, so please pardon my network. So this is supposed to show up here, the red logo, the red color, red line. Okay, so we're back to this. It appears here, and what you want to do now is click on this animate. Right here you will see every style of animation that Canva has already prepared. When you hover your mouse on them, we have basic, the basic that we exaggerate, we have the photo movement and what have you, so many type of them. Whenever you hover your mouse on them, it shows you the pattern of the animation and how it goes. So for this very word, we're going to be using the rise. So all you need to do is click on the rise, and click out. You do the same thing for each and every one of the line. Now please take note, for us to have the same proportion of space, the same logo without any alterations at all, this is what you need to do. When you're set to make the next animation for the next line, click on the next line, and then this is how it appears. Click on this and then make sure to click on the ones you've done before. Select all the lines, go to more, click on align, and then go to center align, and then click on it again, align element, and then go to middle. When you're done with that, click on the top, which is the recent line you just added, and then go to animate and click on same rise, same type of animation. So you do this continually until you get to the top, until you do every other thing else. Same thing here, align, center, align, middle, click out, click in, animate the very one on top, same thing, rise. We do the same thing for each and every one. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the fourth one. Select everything, align, go to center, align again, go to the middle of this very stuff, and then click out, click in the first one, go to animate, and then choose rise again. Click out. So you're going to have to do this until you get to the top. I'll do that and then we'll come back later on. So we're done fixing all the lines. We're we're now going to fix the test itself. So you need to do is click on the test. Of course, you're also going to export it, or you can just write it on the board here, any one that is convenient for you. This, just place it here. Make sure everything in center align. Everything is at the middle. So yeah. So we're going to animate this word. Remember on the animation we played, it was moving from left to right. It was not rising. So we're going to pick that type of animation that shows it's moving from left to right. So yeah, this is not it. This is, it's not fade. Is it pan? No, it's not pan. It's not breath. Yes, it is wipe, not drift. Yeah. So you click on wipe. You click on wipe for the last animation. So here we are done with this. All we need to do now is play this to make sure that yeah we have gotten all that we have. Yeah, amazing. So this is it. Let's play it again. This is how to animate. This type of animation on Canva. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for sticking with me. I hope to continue this and do more exciting and more educative videos for you guys. So cheers. If you have any question whatsoever, please send them. You can comment on the comment section on my YouTube channel here, and please do not forget to subscribe.